Say hello to this Jet 22 inches scroll saw, combining best-in-class features with innovation and thoughtful design to create the machine you've been waiting for. The best part about this saw is the blade change process. Our exclusive upper mechanism clamps and tensions the blade in one step, in addition to the upper mechanism. The toolless lower blade holder is removable and the table features a slot for the blade. The features don't stop there. This saw offers 22 inches of throat capacity and an arm that tilts 45 degrees left and 45 degrees right. This saw is designed to optimize your scrolling experience, from the variable speed range to a top lift spring-loaded arm. This saw comes fully loaded with all the features you'd expect from Jet Tools. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Accurate cutting. Arm tilts 45 degrees right and 45 degrees left, keeping the worktable flat. Number 2. Convenient storage. Blades can be positioned on either the right or left side of the machine. Number 3. Limited vibration. Large 12/7 inches by 23 inches cast iron table provides a stable working surface. Number 4. Efficient dust collection. Removable dust port on the underside of table collects dust at the source. Number 5. Quick blade changes. Slotted table for easier blade changes. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.